to an actual rat.
We have the victim.
Please. No, wait, let me stab
I'm filming it.
Dibs, I dib stabbing
Oh,
it.
you want to dip stabbing? Why are you caressing the tail?
No, I dib stabbing it, okay?
I'm gonna press you with a scalpel.
Thank
Careful.
you. Wait, I'm not gonna stab it yet. I have to put on my gloves.
Put on the gloves.
This time it's probably like legit sharp.
Huh.
Yes, rub the dead rat.
Stop rubbing it. My boy. Please.
Did you just sniff your hand?
I'll see how the rat smells.
Please.
It's not the rat, it's like the preservative, whatever we have.
I know.
It fucking
smells like
tail.
alcohol.
Savage.
Jeez. Oh no, they cut off its tail in the diagram?
Oh my god, that's nice. Oh, I call cutting off its tail. I'll cut off its tail.
Okay, well.
Cut it, but are we gonna get on with this or
Oh
what?
shit, look at the chin.
Yes, make the incision. Yes.
Make an incision
Do rats
at the
even
chin
have
and
chins?
going down the...
Yeah, that's a really good point.
the
Do rats
basic
even follow this
area
diagram? Yeah, just
to
follow
an,
that
Make
diagram.
an incision starting at the skin and going down the midline to an
should
area
follow
in
it with
the
my
top
goggles
of the ribcage.
Just follow this.
Oh,
This man.
It's just there.
so you start here.
Yeah.
Oh.
You
Gotta hold it.
Oh no.
Yeah, hold its hand.
It'll be okay.
It'll be okay, little buddy.
Is that even cut? Or is that just kind
Are you just rubbing? Oh, that looks like a...
No, it didn't cut. Never mind. I have to go deeper.
Stab.
we need to go deeper.
Chill,
Don't
chill.
squirt.
You don't
Ow,
wanna-
I feel something.
You don't want to
No,
rupture
don't
this.
Don't go too deep.
I'm not
Very
going-
careful.
Johan 2018, don't squirt.
Don't squirt. That's
Bro,
what
it's
she
got
said.
tougher skin than that. You're giving it like a scritch.
Okay. Now I'm going inside. Yeah.
There we go.
No. It's not happening. It's got too much fur. It's too...
Oh.
It's too thick.
Don't squirt. Don't
It's too
squirt.
thick.
Don't squirt.
Don't squirt?
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
Okay,
No,
you gotta
just
cut
use-
higher up, and then I'll tweeze it up to reveal the contents. It's an unboxing video.
Oh yeah, we got an unboxing video.
I'm
Million views right now. While we were unboxing a porn. This is for science.
Yeah, you're just like serrating its freaking guzzle. Please.
It's like stop! Why are you stabbing it? No!
Chill, shut up. So loud. It's time to relax.
Oh, okay, I'm done.
Pokey boy.
Pokey boy and grabby boy. Yes. You may need to cut a bit more there to remove the. Oh, that was juicy. I knew it. I knew
Yeah,
it
no,
was.
there's still like another layer.
get rid of the
like
juices.
cartilage
Just
or
get rid of
whatever.
the juices.
Please.
Okay, I'll press that on it too.
Okay, you want me to cut?
Oh!
Just get the juices out.
This is science.
Okay, I'm not. This is so nasty.
No, she's full on kitted out. My lab coat.
Okay.
She's got entire lab coat and everything.
Okay, that should be good.
Okay.
Can I borrow it?
Yeah, we're gonna just borrow that and just like grab and pull it. Oh,
There we go.
Spaghetti.
You found the spaghetti.
I think you gotta cut more.
Like right
up
here, like up there, you gotta keep cutting. Will you just let me cut? Brayden, happy birthday, you get filmed.
No. Listen,
Fine. I have cut open the rat even more, let's do this thing.
Oh.
We gotta do the other
that's
cuts here.
something.
Oh yeah, we gotta do the other cuts.
So you gotta cut his neck, please.
You gotta slit its throat?
You have to decapitate it?
Okay,
Here, I
I'll
want to try
decapitate.
cutting.
I'll decapitate.
I'll just
Why do you want to decapitate the
No,
poor rat?
here, you
I'll
want
do
it.
it.
Poor
I'll just cut
rat,
right here.
that's the thing that carried the damn black plague.
That's true.
That's the reason many of your
It's not his fault.
Yes.
It's his ancestors.
Okay, you can
Yeah, sure.
stab there. I'll decapitate it.
Don't decapitate the rat.
Does this seem good?
It's
Like right below the arms,
Here, here.
basically. Right,
Maybe
yeah,
below
right
the arm.
there.
There, right there.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Yes, stab there. Get in there. Please. Yeah, get in there.
Oh.
Okay,
I'm sorry, Ratatouille.
I'm not sorry.
That's not the name of the rat
When I cut your head.
in the movie.
What the heck is even the name of that rat in that Fred.
Ratatouille.
No, it's not Ratatouille. They make Ratatouille at the end of the movie Ratatouille, but the rat's name is not Ratatouille.
You're right.
It,
Please, you freaking pelt. Oh, there we go.
fuck,
You've been defeated.
Go
You've
out
been
there
defeated.
inside my head.
What was that?
You can just decapitate it.
don't decapitate the rat!
You can decapitate, but you have to finish that cut too.
Don't decapitate the rat. I'm gonna stop filming for now. As we cut it open.
It's like,
Do not decapitate the rat! Just
we
slit
need
its
to
throat.
look at it.
Just do it for the memes. You
Don't do it for the memes.
You can decapitate
There we go.
after. Right now, we just have to slit it.
promise? Do it for the memes.
Probably.
I thought I was the psychotic one, but clearly not. You want to decapitate the rat.
This man is like, please, sir. I just end my suffering.
Let me slit it, so you're bad at slitting throats.
How's that?
Oh, that was. Ugh.
Yeah, how's that?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna slit
Watch
throat.
Johan cut himself.
How's that? I think that's good.
That's a good cut.
What's that called?
Back apple.
Careful with the
drop.
scalpel.
Scalpel drop.
Oh, this right here is just nothingness.
Oh god.
Okay.
We don't need it.
Here, I'm gonna need you to move your arms, sir.
Now he's gonna do the
Let me see those hands. Let me see those
YMCA.
hands.
It's not gonna happen. His arms are just stuck.
I'm just gonna do that.
Christ. Can you stop touching this?
Oh, there's a
The
bit
damn
right here.
testicles are like
Right here.
Stop looking at his
Scalpel.
testicles.
they're like 50
Don't
times
cut-
bigger than.
We're not gonna neuter the dead rat.
We should cut off his testicles.
I'm gonna cut
Come
off.
on, man.
Yeah, we should. No,
Jesus Christ.
that's too juicy. I'll cut off.
Excuse me?
But, I mean, come on,
Okay.
let's be honest.
This man's
But-
flush.
The thing
Oh,
is,
he's
I'm
got
probably
like
gonna-
one section of neck.
The thing is, I'm probably gonna speed up the clip so it sounds like all squeaky voice. Now, the squeaky voice, you're gonna say it's
Actually,
juicy.
I don't need this. I have glasses.
There we go.
I don't really need the
I'll just cut off its tail though. when
Don't
we're
cut
done.
off the. Why would
When
cut
we're
off?
done.
This man
When we're
wants to
done.
lacerate this damn rat. Okay.
I will
The
do it
poor
when we're
rat.
done. It's okay. It's okay.
Like I may have ripped the heart in half after we were done with it, while screaming Kalima, but like at least I'm not as crazy as you, seemingly.
Me? Crazy?
Move your arms, my man.
What kind of man? It's a man's
second.
dream. Cut off a man's
I'm
tail.
sorry, I'm like breaking this man's arm.
I own this one.
We gotta get through the meat.
He's too thick.
He's too thick for our mortal life.
Oh, wait, is that the liver? Yeet! It's the liver!
Yay.
Oh, it's the intestines too. Look at that. Go.
Wait, have you? No, you've touched.
We gotta cut more of the horizontal ones.
We gotta do the other lower one that's near the testicles, but don't cut off the testicles.
Someone,
Not yet.
someone cut.
Okay, come on, focus on the. Yeah, like right here, you see this like flappy bit? Like, if you look here, you see this flappy bit? That's the diaphragm. I'm pretty sure. And like, that means
I
like.
really want to cut its tail off.
I think this is like the
I have this.
liver? Like,
Yeah,
you
but
got
that makes it
the.
too easy.
Wait, we need the scalpel.
Like, it'll take 1 second.
Oh, it's large
Wait, here.
intestine.
That'll make,
I think.
scissors make it too easy.
I think that's some food still got in there.
Yeah, we gotta. But
We gotta empty it.
Shit. But if you, with the scalpel, you can really save it.
Oh, that's the stomach right there, and right below the liver.
We really gotta pull up the small intestines and just stretch them out as long as possible.
We must measure it.
We gotta open up the neck more.
It's the rib cage. It's a tough boy.
Actually.
I recommend you use the scissors for that instead of cutting into its lungs.
Okay, wait, where do you want to open this?
Yes, up.
Up?
No, yeah, into
Like
his
that
neck.
way, yeah, into his neck.
I can't see anything. Right now.
Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah. Nice.
I was the weird one.
Really, I'm not as weird as I thought.
Oh my god, that's an oof. We can't see that though. What's it blue? That's
Why
my
is there
question.
blue on that? I don't know. I'm gonna stop filming. I'm just not getting in your way as much as possible.
Okay. So there's this giant thing here.
I'm pretty sure that's the liver.
I think that's
I'm
the
so
liver.
tempted to just.
Like,
Eat it out of there.
well, I have to.
I want to eat the small intestines out of there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you said yeet. I thought you said eat. I'm gonna need to grab. But use the tweezers. Use the tweezers to.
Coordination.
Just let me get in here real quick.
Move. I'm filming this.
Okay, go do it.
There we go.
So much intestine.
Tweezers just like.
Fluid.
Oh,
Come on.
That's right.
Come on, liver.
poor man.
Yeah, there's the stomach right there. I'm gonna poke it. Yeah, that's the stomach. Educational video so so this doesn't get age restricted. It's like, gotta make sure this is educational. Educational.
Why?
So it doesn't get age restricted. Or hope it doesn't.
Probably not. I don't know why 3-year-olds really watch this.
Why would a 3-year-old be watching this? Not every 3-year-old is exactly like me who just is bored at 3 a.m. and looks up surgery videos.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that seems to be the liver.
Yep.
We may have lacerated it slightly.
This one had terrible. I don't know how bad the lungs and shit. That one was a smoking rat.
Smoking.
Don't smoke, kids. No, this is what will happen to you.
So what if this rat was like a country rat and that was like a city rat? Yeah,
Look at them teeth.
city rat.
Look at them non-ters.
Oh yeah, we should open its mouth.
No, it's not open its mouth.
Yeah.
I feel like that's cool.
No, but when it's open, it looks like.
Are you trying to cut out the stomach?
Yes, sir.
Guys, we're supposed to be looking for the
Disconnect.
limb glands.
Where's the lymph glands? We found the diaphragm. We cut it open quite severely.
But we have to do the procedure.
Yeah, there's the stomach.
What you said? Shut up, it's fine. Actually, yeah, it is. I don't really care. I don't know why I'm at that.
Come on, focus on the stupid stomach.
God damn.
Take a look
Oh,
around.
dude, see? Even in the tutorial, in the picture, they cut off its tail. So it's just normal human behavior to want to cut off its tail.
What? No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. Well, why would they show it in the tutorial? Explain.
Because the person making that was also sick. Well, grab the stomach. You just snip it.
What? Please.
Can you go?
Okay, please.
There we go.
You're causing me pain. Oh, that's a stomach.
Yeah, there's the stomach.
Damn.
Yeah, I found it. Yeah, I found its lungs. They're in there.
Let me
Those
just go
things.
see a bit.
Yeah, you see right there? Those are its lungs.
Okay, take the small intestine.
Oh.
How do
Even
you even
connected
tell
to
them?
anything?
How do you even tell them?
connected to
Did I
everything.
find its heart? Actually, I think that's its heart.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the heart.
It's the tiniest heart.
we can't see it. We pull out the heart. Pull out its heart. Pull out its heart.
I feel like I'm gonna crush it if I attempt to pull it out.
Okay, then we
Care how
do
dead rat
That's come on.
pull out the damn heart.
Yeah, that right there. That's definitely the heart. These two tiny
Pull
things
out-
right here are the
As
lungs.
if- No, I'm not gonna say that. That would have been funny though.
You just sawed it in half.
This is the heart right there.
That would have been good.
I'm stabbing the diaphragm again. There we go. Got it. Gently. Keep pulling on it.
Because ours just look like a bunch of intestines.
Come. I need you to hold on a bit tighter than that to the heart.
How long does one take? Just pull out.
There we go. There's the tart.
Yeah.
There's a tiny little heart.
Depressing.
Sacrifice it to the gods.
Wait, I want to see if I can see any chambers or anything.
Wait, let's see where the heart is. Where does it say the heart is?
Here's the lungs. This is like the 2-part lung.
The heart, is it number 14?
So wait, the heart is in front of the lungs?
No, it's not.
For here?
Wait, no, ventricles of heart, 14. Okay, so this might only be part of the heart. Wait, no, this is the heart.
Where's
I
13?
think.
You're like,
Oh, that is the heart. Yeah, that is the heart. You found the heart.
Such a
yeah,
tiny...
yeah, this is the lungs.
You found the heart. Nice, nice.
Yeah, like you can see like the
Oh,
chambers.
there's a small line there that probably separates it.
Yeah, it's the chambers like that's right. Just let me hold the heart.
Bruh, please don't pop that shit.
Why did I cut it out? Because I didn't pop it.
We can pop the heart as well.
Can we just
Don't pop the heart.
When it's over, chill.
Sacrifices blood for the blood gods.
Let me just sprinkle
We're
it.
going to have so much fun when we finish this off.
Jesus Christ, man. Johan.
Fun goes on, man. Yes.
I'm glad you didn't get today.
What?
You didn't get today.
Yeah, that's the heart. I can see some of
After
the
Daddy
things.
gets beat up. It will be fun.
Oh, this is something right here that's attached. It's like a tube.
No strings attached.
It's just a finish. Okay.
Careful.
I'm trying to get the lungs.
See?
Don't cut off the tail.
Even that group wants to cut off the tail.
But I mean, like this thing, bro.
No, do it. We're cutting off the tail when we're done. See, every group wants to cut
This is
off
boring
the
to
tail.
film.
Do it with scissors.
Don't cut the tail with the scissors.
So we can savor it.
What?
Scissors, it's too fast.
And we emptied out the rat now, but
Stop
One
using
second
it.
and you're done.
Oh, I see. Oh, you
Staple?
can see the ribs there.
Yo, we should check out its
Yeah, those are the ribs. I can see it.
Oh, I feel so weird to step between them. Oh.
Yeah, we should.
I'm just like holding back its arms like, stop resisting.
Please relax.
Stop resisting.
Oh, whoops. I actually grab it.
Oh, okay. There we go.
I want to see what his brain looks like. Oh, true. We should. Yeah, we'll take out the brain after.
Do we have a hammer?
No, we're gonna do it now. Well, I said later.
What's a rat's skull look like?
What?
A rat.
Never to go into X. Oh,
First, we have to cut off.
there we go. Those are lungs and
Oh,
probably some
Cut off
other
the
shit.
tail. Open its mouth.
Oh, yeah, there's a
Look at that
there's
little tube there.
Look at that little tube. Look at that little tube.
Damn. Wait, can I borrow that?
This is disrespect.
Yeah, you can see
Dude,
that.
that rib piece looks so sick.
Yeah. And he's cutting off the tail.
Yo, Johan.
Great, of course I'll have the tail
Here,
there.
I'll
Damn, it's
pull
meaty.
it
Wait,
back.
stop. Damn, it's meaty. Yeah, it's meaty.
Please! That looks like some sort of fucking alien.
It does. Yo, it looks like that fish with like no mouth. It looks like an eel.
It looks like an eel.
Damn. Okay, now let's cut open its mouth.
Blake, don't just drop it.
Don't just drop it in there! Jeez, man!
Damn. No tail now.
Okay, what are we doing now?
Now check out. Now we have to.
Yeah, here's the small intestine. I think this is the large one.
Out while I do surgery.
Take the.
Not surgery. If this was a surgery, that's one dead boy right there.
Yeah, he's not surviving from this. This is surgeon simulator levels of surgery. Just rip out
I don't
everything that
even
it should
know
be
which
fine.
one's the small intestine and which one's
What
the
the heck is this thing?
I have no idea.
That's...
I found a kidney!
This might be a pancreas.
Chill. Just pull it out.
It's a kidney!
No need to scream. Okay, I'll open its mouth.
It looks like a bean!
Scalpel.
Don't cut its teeth, we're not dentists!
Please, scalpel.
What? Cutting off the
Such
foot.
an adorable little bean. Literally looks like a bean.
This is literally a bean. Why are you guys so scared to just grab it? Like you're wearing gloves. This is a kidney. Oh, actually, I found the adrenal gland. This thing.
is that the-
That's the adrenal gland. We're learning.
Adrenaline.
Dude, you could actually do it. You could take out the.
We're not gonna smoke the rat's tail.
Take out the skeleton.
We're not gonna use
You
it like,
add
as a
the-
blunt.
Add the ingredients.
Come on, man. It's not even legal yet in
Intestine is
Canada.
the other.
It's like,
oh,
You can
no.
smoke it.
That's large. It's a small
large
one.
intestine's there.
Oh wait, also let's see. What the heck is this
Small
thing?
one. That's the...
Wait, what? Which one's the large
Is that a food in
intestine?
there?
Yeah, that is the large intestine.
Is that the stomach?
No, that's. I think that's a small.
No,
intestine.
this is the stomach. What the heck is this thing?
I don't. Maybe the gallbladder. I don't know.
The gallbladder is tiny.
I don't
Go
know.
over
All I
here.
know is that this is the small intestine. That's all I know.
This entire...
I found the other
Where's the
kidney. I'm
scalpel?
gonna rip it out.
Okay. That's how it begins. The fun begins. I mean. All right.
I ripped out the other kidney.
I thought she just left us like it was a rat house fly.
Okay.
Yeah, here's the other kidney. I ripped it
Put
out.
it with the other kidney.
Oh, there's teeth.
That's the heart.
There's teeth in them. There's,
Wow, really?
Wow, the rat has teeth.
I know, but
Incredible.
It's not letting me in.
Stop cutting its teeth out. We're ripping out its intestines.
We can do both. Double task.
Oh wait, no wait. I found poop. Please. So we're actually gonna try and go for the brain, aren't we?
You mean to tell me that entire...
Don't break another scalpel.
Yeah, it's bigger than literally. It's like small intestine, basically.
There's no way. No, because it's also...
yeah.
Careful. It's a scalpel.
I don't know.
I know.
These things are sharp.
I know. It looks like another fucking... If you look at it from here, it literally looks like that's the head.
Yeah,
Small ass
this
tits
thing
over
is the
here.
brain. I may have accidentally broken this half of it.
What's this? This is one thick boy.
It's like the muscular and like the neck. Like the
Look at his face. It's like defeated. It's like
Oh wow, look at that brain.
Yeah, that's the brain.
Oh shit.
This is one of the most similar brains to the human brain there is, actually.
Yeah, it's pretty simple.
Uh,
Imagine how hard we
take
to
it
like,
out,
actually like.
not like that because I just turned it into ground beef.
Maybe we should cut around it?
How do we take out the brain?
Should we cut around it?
Not very easily.
We got a little
Just turns
sidetracked,
to
but...
mush.
Yeah, we just kind of mushed it.
It is probably mushy after it's preserved to begin with. So
I was about to just squish its head until it came out, but I'm not going to
unless
do
you
that.
took out the whole, unless you split the skull in half. It's
I was
hard to
working
take
on that. I was trying to use what I learned from watching random brain surgery videos at 3 a.m. It works somewhat.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult, and be careful because it's a hard skull, and using equipment you might.
Yeah, I may have accidentally stabbed it repeatedly in the brain while trying to remove the skull.
So, like... Wait, where was
But
it?
yeah, that's the brain. There it is. This mushy bit. Boop, boop.
What are you looking for?